Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, December 28th. The reflection for today is synchronicity. Pay attention to the synchronicity in your life. It is the gods talking out loud. Sometimes I think they're pulling my chain. They want to tell you they're here for you. They are listening to your thoughts and wishes. They are giving you food for thought. They are proving to you that they want to be heard. They want to help. They are within touching and hearing distance. They love you. It is one of their gifts to you. We've all had glimpses of the divine. Allow me to share some. I needed to get an important message to a friend, and my phone was down. She did not live within a comfortable walking distance. She showed up at my doorstep on her way to work to drop off some cookies. This was not usual behavior for her. I thank the gods for their efficiency. I mentioned to my mom, who lives about 3 hours away, that I'd really like to take a watercolor painting class, but I wasn't able to find one locally that fit into my schedule and budget. A week later, she phoned. An incredible artist was offering a day-long class, and the cost was $15. I was able to visit home and spend an entire Saturday learning the art of watercoloring painting. Thank you, gods, for leading me to my dreams. I was missing a dear pal, but due to my budget at the time, I simply couldn't afford the long distance phone call. We rarely talked, but when we did, we spoke in our deepest truths. She phoned that day. She said she was thinking about me. Thank you, gods, for hearing my sorrow. Synchronicity happens every day. It is when your loved one reaches for you just as you think his name. It's when your son walks through the door after his first driving experience on snowy road. It's when the potatoes and pork chops finish cooking just as the boys walk in from the soccer practice announcing their starvation. It is divine communication. Pay attention. Now take a comfortable position and take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes, maybe keep them open, whatever you wish. And take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light. And then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now repeat after me silently or out loud. I am noticing the synchronicity in my daily doings. I am listening for the God's answers to my dilemmas. I realize the more I pay attention, the more the magic surfaces. I am thankful for my growing awareness. Let's do it one more time. I am noticing the synchronicity in my daily doings. I am listening for the God's answers to my dilemmas. I realize the more I pay attention, the more the magic surfaces. I am thankful for my growing awareness. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day to day, I invite you to continue with simply breathing and simply being. Let your mantra for today be, I am noticing the synchronicity in my daily doings. I am listening for the God's answers to my dilemmas. I realize the more I pay attention, the more magic surfaces. I am thankful for my growing awareness. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.